So tell me, how do you feel better? You feel better?
Yeah, I feel better.
You feel better?
No,
So before it's like so much pain, like what's the pain level now?
Like a 2.
2? Oh, better.
Yeah,
A lot better. Oh, that's good. That's good. Okay. So okay. So only 4 5, 4 5.
Yeah.
So more pain on this side?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, take deep breath in, inhale, exhale. Okay, one more time, inhale, exhale. Good, okay, one more time, inhale, exhale. Okay, so turn sideways, facing side. Good, and bend this leg for me. Oh, just one leg, just one leg. And then your body will be constantly go good. And then get some chest and punch, good, good, and oh. Oh, look what's tight, yeah, a little bit. Okay, then take the other side. Yeah, this side's tight, okay. Okay, scoot outside a little bit up. Oh, good, stay here, stay here. Make sure you back to your hand, okay, okay, relax, okay, relax. Just right shoulder. Okay. So turn your body sideways. When now your disc compress so much, right? When I try to decompress your spine, make more space for this nerve, okay? So sit all the way back. Good. Okay, your hand do this. Okay, relax over back, give some space, okay? Relax, okay? Oh, good, good, good. Nice, 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 nice. Okay, so relax. So tell me, how do you feel? Better, right? A lot better. When you come in, so much pain, right? Low back. So 6, 7 when you come in.
Yeah, 6, 7 I came in.
Like just 2, 3.
Yeah, about 2. 3.
Oh wow. Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, it's much better.
Much better. Yeah.
Oh, nice, nice. Okay.